Okay, here's our kitchen to size and scale. Starting with the double ovens, microwaves above the cooktop, 3 drawers to the left of the cooktop cabinet, and we had 2 doors here. These are each 10 inches wide, and right now we need to decide which cabinet we want to have at the odd shape. So if I understood you correctly, let's change views here to a plan view. So if you want a drawer stack in the middle or in between 29 and 30, we can of course do that. The widest that cabinet could be is, well, it's tough to answer with these angles, but this wall is 32.5 wide. So essentially that could be approximately how wide that drawer stack is. I'll have to figure out if that works out where the corners of the cabinets come together. But that would mean that this cabinet would be triangular shaped. This one could be full depth. And then on the other side here, if we just picture the drawer stack ending here, there would be a door here with a triangular shaped base, and this would be a door too on the left side of the new drawer stack. And this cabinet, same thing, triangular shape. And number 38 was the microwave, which we have now turned into just a 3 drawer stack. And we can take a look at this view to reference the cabinet numbers. 20 is the cooktop, the 3 drawer stack to the left of the cooktop is 19, so they're numbered so we can communicate clearly. Glass doors, and it sounds like you want this one to have the angled side to it. So these would be full depth, square inside. This one would be triangular. This cabinet steps out a little bit for the microwave. And on the other side here, pretty straightforward. We got rid of the trash pull out here, 3 drawer stack, standard upwards, dishwasher, sink, 3 drawer stack, so these 2 match. This one would be triangular shape with 2 doors and adjustable shelves, and then the stained grade floating shelves here. This is a face frame only, inset because of the radiused wall. And this other side, we can do a 24-inch deep cabinet and rollouts from here down. Adjustable shelf here, and this is inset too, but because we have space, it's a cabinet or a slide-in cabinet. And the new cabinets below the below that big upper piece. Come on, computer. Froze up. So these are the same height as the rest of the kitchen. 6 drawers, and the top of the countertop would be 36 inches. All right, let me know. Thank you.